An 8-ounce serving of whole milk contains 146 calories. This is 63 calories more than the number of calories in an 8-ounce serving of skim milk. How many calories are in an 8-ounce serving of skim milk? We'll solve this problem by using our 5-step problem-solving process. And the first step is to familiarize ourselves with the problem situation. First of all, we would read the problem carefully, and then we would define a variable. In this case, we're looking for how many calories are in an 8-ounce serving of skim milk. So we will let S equal the number of calories in an 8-ounce serving of skim milk. It's important to write down what these variables stand for, and the more complicated the problem is, the more important this step is. The second step is to translate, and to do that, I'll reword what was said in English and then translate that to math. So we can start by thinking that the calories in skim milk plus how many more calories there were in whole milk is the number of calories in whole milk. Now I've just rewritten this as an English sentence, but now I can translate. We said the calories in skim milk was S. We don't know how many that is, so we called it S. Plus, we'll translate just to the plus sign. How many more calories? Well, the problem tells us that there are 63 more calories in a serving of whole milk than in skim milk. Is translates to equals, and we're told that the number of calories in a serving of whole milk is 146. And this actually gives us an equation now that we can solve. S plus 63 equals 146. So we can move to our third step, which is to solve the problem. And we solve S plus 63 equals 146. To solve this, we subtract 63 on both sides of the equation. So writing that, I have S plus 63 minus 63 equals 146 minus 63. S plus 63 minus 63 is S. 146 minus 63 is 83. Now the step 4 to check is a very important step. To check that, we need to think through the original problem. And we're told that there are 63 more calories in whole milk than in skim milk. So let's take what we thought was the amount in skim milk, which was 83, and add the 63 to it. And when we do that, we get 146, which we were told was the number of calories in the 8-ounce serving of whole milk. So the final step is to state our answer, and we state it clearly in a complete sentence. And we can say in this case that an 8-ounce serving of skim milk contains 83 calories.